Go to the Start menu and search for Power. Then select Choose a Power Plan. As you can see, these are the power options Windows have inbuilt. Now go to Start menu and search for PowerShell. Then type in the command given in the description and click Enter. Now go ahead and check the power options. You will have the ultimate power option enabled. Now download the file given in description and extract it. Then go and run the Win10 download file using PowerShell as shown. Now you can disable the features you don't want by clicking the right option. If you don't know more about what all to disable, then click on the Essential Tweaks button. After the process ends, you might get a good performance. Now go to Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows option. Then change it to Adjust for Best Performance. Go to Privacy Settings inside Windows Settings. Then disable everything you don't use, as shown. Right-click the taskbar and go to Task Manager. In the Startup bar, disable everything you don't need to open when you turn on your computer. And that's it for today. See you in the next video and be sure to subscribe if you like the video.